The interesting part that people don't understand, and this is just because I got off of a coaching call with a couple of students, and this is one thing that people don't understand. To to make whatever money they want to make, I don't care how much it is, 100,000, 10 million, whatever. They don't understand that it takes small amounts of money and steps. People think they could just jump from $1 to $10 million like this. No, it takes a lot of small little steps and small amounts of money accumulated, and then once in a while, after you accumulate enough of those little money, you could get into something bigger that can actually leverage a little bit higher. And it takes small little actions, but those actions are they have to be done responsibly and with prudence. That's the biggest thing. I think people don't understand. Your actions have to be prudent, meaning they have to be the right decisions to make at that right time. And that's when you start seeing a lot of success. People think they'll just, it takes just reading one book. No, it's reading a lot of books. It's not listening to one person, it's listening to a lot of people. It's looking at a lot of things. So understand that it takes small little amounts of money and small amounts of prudent steps to reach the level of success I think people really want to get to.